Are you having a hard time getting a call back when you're applying for a job? Well, here are 3 approaches that are worth your time that will get you noticed. You want to follow the PID approach. First, P. P stands for personalization. If people tell you the cover letter is dead, don't listen to them. It always helps to take an extra step to try and make a connection. If you have the opportunity to add a letter intro to your application, or when you're reaching out on LinkedIn to a hiring manager or recruiter, make sure to send a memorable and on-point note that describes you and why you are a right fit for the role. Next is I. I is about creating interest. Take time to find a recruiter who is working on the job by researching on LinkedIn. If you can't find the right person, send a message to a recruiter on the team and ask to be pointed in the right direction. Come up with a compelling message that will grab their attention, so something about you and how you can help them. Make sure you're also making your resume available to recruiters on LinkedIn, in addition to applying to the jobs directly on LinkedIn or other social platforms. Just remember, you have to work hard to capture that interest. Finally, D for differentiation. If you have the opportunity to add a video intro onto your resume, you can also share that video link in your message or cover letter with a Meet Me reference. This will definitely capture their attention and make you stand out. There are free pro tools like videobio.me where you can create a visual video resume. Take a moment to also follow up after your application as well. You can additionally share this video bio at this stage of the process. So these steps above will help you differentiate yourself with other people. So follow the PID approach and increase the chances of making it to the interview. And smash that follow button for more interview and career tips.